So you've been talking a lot about alter egos recently.
Yeah.
What is this alter ego about and who is it for?
So the alter ego is for you. You're 21 in media, right? You have areas of your life that need to bring attributes you already have forward now. And how do you do that? How do you do that effectively to where someone's like, whoa, Ezra, you brought the heat today. Or whoa, Ezra, you're funny. You're Mr. Funny now, right? Maybe you're going on a hot date. You're 21, right? How do you bring your best, most confident, exciting self forward to nail the date? Not literally, but like, it can apply to me. I'm in my extremely young 30s, very young, and I'm a business owner, I'm a mom, I'm a daughter. How do I bring my best self in each of those categories every single day? Because I don't get to check out of any of them, right? And have an abundant skill set in each of them, and excitement and passion and whatever it is that I need coming forward.
Yeah, because if you spend a whole day at work and you're crushing at work and you're focused on all these tasks and you're using your mind to solve problems, that can be really exhausting. So,
Yeah.
And then when you get home, like, you have to pull the energy from somewhere to be the best mom you can.
Yeah. In my world, I don't get to show up exhausted at home. Not when you have 3 kids. I've got a 15-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 2-year-old. You don't get to show up with an empty cup. That's not fair to them. It's not fair that I chose to be who I am in work and then I get to bring home nothing to them. So I channel Nana. That's my alter ego on my way home, because Nana, Baba, Grandma, whoever it is in your life, Abuela, that's right, Spanish, they have so much love. Their cup overflows with love and joy and caring for their family. It's never empty, right? So that's who I channel on my way home, is just that unconditional overflow of joy and love. You have to really visualize who this person is. So Todd Herman, this is the book we're talking about, Alter Ego Effect by Todd Herman. He actually has step by step how to create these alter egos, versus you and I, who I'm sure in our whole life have channeled something inside of us to be who we needed to be at that point, right? So when I'm 21 and showing up at General Motors for a job, I wore my power suit, which was fresh off the rack from Sears, right? And I'm 21 and I'm guaranteed the suit did not fit me well and was not custom to my body. However, that's who I was channeling, right? I'm a corporate person. This is who they look like to me. And I need to show up very professional and rock this interview. And that's what I did. That was an alter ego.
So how do you effectively create this alter ego?
Okay, so I would highly recommend you have to read this book, Alter Ego Effect, Todd Herman. He has a website, thealteregoeffect.com, and then you can go into forums, and there's worksheets on how to create. Who are they? What do they do? What do they do every time they show up? Then what do they look like? Do they have red lips? Do they have short hair? Do they have a buzz cut? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? You go through all of these steps, and then this is truly who you become when you're public speaking. This is who you become when you're got to get that last 3-pointer on the court. Right? This is who you become when you have to direct video, be a mom, be a dad, whatever it is. We played a